Hello, welcome to Foldworks. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Python. It's an airplane that I designed by myself, and it has two air intake right there and right there, and it has two engines right there and right there, and it's overall a very cool jet that is not actually that hard to fold. So let's get on with it. So first, you're going to take, it's like we're folding corner to corner, like this, but actually we're going to make a little triangle from this point to that point to that point right there. So it's gonna look kind of like that, and you want these two edges to be like around an inch. Okay, now we're gonna fold it in half. And you'll actually know that this is a symmetrical shape. It's like a diamond, but it has like a triangle cut out, but it's not actually cut out. And now we're just going to fold this top edge into the center. And we're doing the same on the other side. Right? Now we're just gonna fold this edge to the center. On the other side too. So now your plane is supposed to look like this. Now we're going to fold out this flap. We're not pulling out this flap yet, but just this one. And we're estimating about an inch, maybe an inch and 1 centimeter, um, of from the top down. And we're folding outwards to that point, outwards towards the wing to that point. And we're doing that on the other side, but we're not estimating anymore. We're just book matching it and we're looking at that side and matching it up on the other side as well. All right, now that we're at this step, we're going to take these inner flaps right here and we're going to fold them up. I find this kind of easier to do it like this, but you can also just leave them down for this step. So first, we're just going to be folding from this edge down to this crease right here. Well, now that you have that, we can just fold that back down like so. And then we're just doing that same thing on the other side, folding this to this edge, and then we're just folding that in like that. Okay, now your plane should look like this. And what we're gonna do now is perform a jet fold. There's two different ways you can do this. So one way is you can flip it over and push the nose down and push this in like so, and kind of reverse this main crease right there. And then you can flatten it. But another way to do this is you can just crease all the way down, but you can like all the way through the airplane, rolling these layers down, but we're only creasing to the center crease. We're not creasing past this point right here. And now doing that same thing on the other side, we're just rolling in on the layers, only creasing to that center point right there. And then you'll see that we have these two main creases going from right there to there at this point, and we can just push that in and flatten it out. And now you see that it looks like a jet. We're just gonna fold the wings up, and we're also gonna fold the air intake up like so. It could get a little undone. It's okay if that happens. Just fold it back under, and then doing that same thing on the other side with the wings. Try to get it as symmetrical as possible. My wings are a little inconsistent here. And now you can see that we have the air intake right here and on the other side as well. And now we have this flap right here that we're just gonna turn it like this. We're gonna open that up and tuck this part into there, as you can see, and then we're just doing that a second time, like so. So now you can see that it's a shorter fuselage and it's locked in its shape now. Okay. Now you might need a pencil or something that's small for this step, but you're just gonna take the pencil like this and you're gonna open up the air intake you see right here. You're just gonna stick your pencil through it like this, and you're just kind of shaping it so it looks like a circle, like so. And now you're doing that same thing on the other side. You're just you're just putting your pencil right through it. It's not wanting to go through, okay? And then you might not even need your pencil. You could just kind of like open it up. Like you might need your pencil to just open it up, and then you can kind of squash it a little to make a rounded engine right there. And so there's your air intake, and it also leads to your engines back here, right there and right there. And if you want, you can make this part an engine too, and a third engine. It's optional, but yeah, it looks pretty cool like that. And you might just want to open these two parts up a little more. They might get a little undone. And then you can just tuck them back in if needed. Yeah, see, mine's a little wonky. But yeah, I hope you had as much fun as me folding this plane. And make sure to like and subscribe.